اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد النبي الأمي.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ramadan is the 9th month of Islamic calendar in which we fast for our spiritual purification to make ourselves more pious, for spiritual reflections. In this month we fast to learn how to care for others, to learn patience, to learn sacrifice. In Ramadan, Muslims, Allah Pak rewards those who fast in the month of Ramadan. In this month we learn sharing, we learn how to care for others, we learn how to give to poor, how to help poor. And in Bukhari Sharif it is narrated by Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu ta'ala, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever observes fast during the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith, whoever observe fast during the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith and hoping to attain Allah's reward, and hoping to attain Allah's reward, all his past sins will be forgiven. Secondly, it is stated in Bukhari Sharif, when the month of Ramadan begins, the gate of heavens are opened and the gates of hell are closed and the devils are chained. So this shows that when we enter into this month, it's a holy month, it's a month in which we devote ourselves to worship, to help others, to care, to sacrifice. It is narrated in Bukhari Sharif and other Ahadith Sharif's books. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah said, all the deeds of Adam's, all the deeds of Hazrat Adam's sons are for them except fasting. When fasting is for me and I will reward for it. In Hadith Sharif it is clearly said that fasting is for Allah and Allah is going to reward for fasting. Then it said that fasting is a shield, a protection from fire, a protection from hell, and a protection from committing sins. And we have seen that when Ramzan, the month of Ramzan came, when this holy month comes, Muslims, they not only observe fast, but they also do good deeds. They also do good deeds and they also worship Allah with full devotion. Secondly, in Hadith Sharif it is written that if one of you is fasting, this is how we have to live our life. And this is when the first month of Ramzan, when we apply this in our lives, then the next our life should be according to the teachings of Islam and Quran, what Quran says, what Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, how we have to help others, how we have to care, how we have to serve humanity, how we have to live our lives with patience, with tolerance, with brotherhood, with sincerity, with truth. So when you are fasting, you should avoid fighting. If someone fights, you should say that I am fasting, I will not fight. This is the teaching of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Secondly, in Ramadan, if we fast with full sincerity, then along with religious benefits, along with the benefits of heaven, the paradise, along with the benefits that all our previous sins are forgiven, along with the benefits of that we are going to become pious, our deeds will be increased, they will be multiplied by 7 to 700 times. And with all that, we have medical benefits, we have benefits of our own body, like may Allah Pak help us. Ameen.